Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel featuring only the most epic and craziest moments caught on driver's dashcam. We'll start today's episode off with a really special road rage between a biker and a crazy driver who didn't agree with their parking. It got really heated, so make sure to stick around for this one and enjoy.
Bye.
No, not bye.
See you later. I mean, we could always park right there. Would that make you happy if we parked right there?
You park in motorcycle parking or a regular parking, or you get a ticket.
Are you a cop?
Where you're supposed to park.
Are you not having a good day, sir?
No, I'm not.
Why not?
People parking in parking they're not supposed to. People park in my handicap parking. I
Oh.
have a motorcycle. I park where a motorcycle is supposed to park.
Okay.
You park where you're supposed to park.
Hold on. Wait, he's got it.
You're not supposed to have your handicap parking hanging in your window, which you will in just a moment. Asshole. Move your part. Move it now.
Relax. Hey, relax.
No, you do. You have park there. You argue with me. Now move the thing.
This whole situation could have been solved way easier and without any problems if the guy was respectful enough and approached the bikers in kind manner. Even the bikers said themselves that they'd move their bikes if it bothered him, but no, he wanted to be really stubborn.
I don't want to with you. Just move your bike.
You're okay, buddy. It's okay.
Move your bike.
Hey, I bet if you open the door, we won't even come close to whatever you're doing.
Bikes. Move them.
You'll be okay. Relax, sir.
Legally parked, so I don't care if you're hurting anybody or not. Move them.
I think you'll be okay, man.
No, you won't. Do I have a wheelchair? No, I don't. Am I a disabled Marine? Yes, I am. And that is not where you park, so you get the things out of here right now, or I'm calling right now. Which one do you want?
I'll tell you what.
Do you want to move them, or do you want me to call? Which one?
If you want to pull the military card out, I'm actually a serving infantryman right now.
I don't give
Yeah.
I'm a 23-year disabled Marine Corps, and I don't give a
Hey, hey, calm down. Hey, it's okay.
Okay, good.
I'm not to sit here and argue with you. I'm not going to let you sit here and
Good, go ahead. I'm calling them now.
Hey, it's okay.
Talking to me.
It's okay. Relax.
Not. As long as you're talking to me.
You'll be okay.
Okay. The whole thing to do is stop arguing with me and move.
Hey, relax, relax.
You move and then I relax.
Everything will be okay. Relax.
Call a cop.
The cops have definitely a lot more things on their hands to deal with and much more important situations than this one. But the guy still decided to call them, and the crazy part comes when the cops tell them that he is in the wrong and that the bikers are okay to park there because this is a private parking lot. But the situation was still far from over.
Actually, you came up on us.
We were still on our bikes when you pulled up here and started yelling.
Would you shut up? I'm talking to the guy.
Get him over here. Oh, I think the cops are telling him that he's actually completely wrong. Pretty sure that's what's happening. They're telling him he's completely wrong. What did they say?
Listen, isn't the point to follow the law in the first place?
What did they say?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Listen to me.
What did the law say?
Would you listen to me? I asked the question first.
Would you tell me what they told you?
I asked the question first.
And I can tell you what they told you.
And I asked the question first, right?
Yeah.
So we're asking. Well, I'm asking a low-level security guard with the management not here, so he doesn't know who to ask. So he says he'll ask tomorrow, right? So he says he thinks it's okay for a bike to park in striped lines.
Hey.
What does the law say here? Striped lines are no parking spaces.
That's true.
Would you answer me?
This is a private parking
It
lot.
doesn't matter. Would you answer me?
Hey,
Stop and answer.
hey, there's families here. There's no need to yell.
You won't answer me, will you?
There's kids.
You won't answer.
The idea here is that this is a private parking lot and not a public property, and since it's private, it's basically their own rules and how they say it. If you can fit as many cars or bikes as possible without being in the way of each other, then the parking lot security and everyone in it is okay with that. But not this guy. He was definitely not okay with it.
You probably should, but that's why there's not.
No, that means I can do whatever I want.
That's
Then,
why
right?
there's not boys.
I guess. Hey, like if you want to roll up on two guys that are just chilling and start screaming, you can do that.
Whatever I want, then, right?
I can tell you right now, like we didn't.
I can
do
run the
anything
stop
to you.
signs.
We
I
didn't
don't.
do
I can
anything
park.
to
You can park
and
here.
you came up here and started yelling and screaming. And
Answer
getting
me.
in his face.
I think you're having a bad day, sir.
Legally,
lucky
and
that
I
you ran
have
into
had
us.
troubles getting out of my truck before because
are
this
you
is
now?
for the handicap.
Are you now?
Not
Are
at
we
the
impeding
moment,
you
but
at
that's
all?
not the point.
Are we
The
impeding
point
you
is,
at all?
are you supposed to follow the law?
Are we impeding you at all?
Are you supposed to follow the law?
We're not
That
breaking
is
the law.
not the point.
We're not breaking the law.
These are straight
Sir,
lines.
do you want me to buy you like a milkshake or something? Can I buy you something to eat?
These mean no parking.
I don't know what's gotten into you, man, but
Right?
you have a great day, okay?
Don't these mean no parking?
You have a great day.
Okay,
all right?
fine.
Do you want me to buy you something, dude? Like a milkshake?
I don't have time actually, but thank
You seem to have a lot of time on your hands, actually.
Thank you for the offer. No, I get really tired of this.
No, I agree with you, but I mean, we're not in. If I parked right here and you couldn't open the door, what an asshole. We are so far away from you,
That's one of my problems.
but we're so far away from you. It's not going to impede your life. It's not going to throw whatever you got going on today.
People have
Yes, I know, but if you're really going to say that, then you might as well go grab a badge and go like go. No, hold on. You might as well go at a stop sign and just like stand there. And anybody who just drives by and doesn't stop, go after them. You know what I mean? Like, it's just not worth your time. If you want, we can move it. I will move my bike if it's really that big of a deal for you.
So it's all up to you to do whatever you want to do, not to follow the law.
Actually, you're doing that. I'm not in anybody's way. Let me buy you a milkshake, man. They have great shakes in there. Let me help you. I think you're having a bad day. You can yell at me more in there if you want, but I'm getting hungry.
Regardless of the fact that even the cops told him that he was in the wrong and that the bikers are allowed to park there, the argument still seemed to be going on. And shortly after a while, the security mall is about to appear, and he's about to say the same thing to this Darren. But will the argument finally be over? Nah, not yet.
Would you please just tell him just to leave us alone? We're not messing with anybody. We're not doing anything.
And you guys are allowed to park here.
We are.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to be nice to you.
I said thank you. and
Case
that was a
closed.
nice
The security
offer.
officer's right here. He
Thank
just
you.
said we're allowed to park here.
There you go.
I said that too, and you're wrong.
Good day, sir.
Until you remove this paint or put up a sign, this says no parking.
Hey,
So you can-
he works here. I think he knows what he's talking about.
I need the name of who I talked to because unless you fix the
The
paint,
president.
I'm telling this is not okay.
That'll be the mayor.
Not okay. I'm sorry.
Hey, baby. Where did you come from? I'm gonna steal your dog, sir.
Guys, get over here.
Hey, you should put him on a leash. I think that's illegal.
Made you want to make you something.
Hey, I think it's illegal to not have him on a leash.
It's funny how things can come around to bite you. In this video, the crazy guy accused the bikers of doing something illegal, while in fact it wasn't. It's actually illegal to not have your dog on a leash. And when the bikers tried to fight him using his own words, this guy completely lost it. Check it out.
It's illegal to not have him on a leash.
Well, as of right
You.
I'm okay.
hey, man, come on. Can you just...
Yeah, you want to get on me for the dog climbing out of the window on a leash when this is an anxious thing?
I think you need to relax, guy.
Just you.
I'm okay.
Come here, guy. Quiet.
This is really bad. Sorry for wasting your time.
It's fine. Got nothing else to do today.
It's your job.
Apparently other people don't either.
You.
Hey, there's no need for that.
Why? Why, though?
Relax.
You stop that.
Gotta go. Bye. See you later.
Yeah, now you can't park here.
Every time I try to talk to you, you talk over me, you jump on
Because
me.
you're wrong.
You got me wrong. You got me mad.
You're
No,
wrong.
This is wrong, and I'm going to talk to you.
Bye. See you later.
This whole situation is starting to turn into a circus show for real now. Even though the police officers and the security mall told this guy to leave, he still refused. And at this point, the bikers were simply waving at him and telling him goodbye. And that made him even more upset and angry.
Leave.
You have to go.
He just told you to get off the property, get in your truck, and leave.
That seems like an important parking spot. You have to go.
I asked you to leave,
You
sir.
guys or anything.
Come on.
He just asked
I
you to
asked
leave.
you to leave. This is a family friendly center. I need you to leave property.
Come on, guys. We'll go ahead and call the police. And I need that guy's name. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Hey, that's messing with someone's livelihood, man.
This is ridiculous.
Right. Two guys minding their own business.
I asked you guys nicely in the beginning.
No,
and
you
got
didn't.
No, you didn't.
So yes, I got
Fucking
mad.
Mm.
That was what
Look,
you
you're
said.
talking again. I can't
Yeah.
say anything without
your
you
truck
guys
leave.
talking.
He just
You
asked
don't
you to
listen.
leave.
You have to go. You have to leave. You have to go.
I have not been able to say anything to try to get anything
Since
across
he asked
to
you to leave,
because
you're
all
right.
that happens is keep on. Yeah, he's finally asked me to leave. I haven't been
you're
able to
trying to leave, man.
talk
Why
to
are
you
you
guys
still
at all.
here? Why?
Quit talking for a minute.
Bye.
Damn!
See you later.
Get out of here!
Bye.
Go away!
Just go
Go
in.
I'm not
away!
leaving this bike until he's
No,
gone.
go
Yeah.
away. He's here. You go away.
Oh, yeah, no, I don't trust you.
Now he's using the excuse of not being able to talk at all to these bikers without being interrupted. What do you guys think about this excuse? In my opinion, or at least from what I managed to see so far, he had plenty of time to talk. And boy, did he talk. He talked his talk, and he surely made his point across, but it still wasn't enough.
A nice guy. I think he was just having a really bad day. I really wanted to buy him a milkshake because I think he needed that, but oh well. So do you get stuff like that all the time?
No, he's the first one.
Harry felt almost as though he had lost his godfather all over again in losing the hope that he might be able to see or speak to him once more. He walked slowly.
I'm completely speechless at this crazy driver's reaction here. He passed the rest of the traffic using the shoulder of the road, and as if that wasn't enough, he cut other vehicles off as they didn't even exist on the road.
Oh my god, did you see what else he just did?
And with this video, we reached the end of yet another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and learn something out of all the fails you witnessed today. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and watch out for all the crazy drivers out there.